Hello everyone, so today's experiment is to perform Gram staining for the study of bacterial morphology and its differentiation. Material required for this experiment are crystal violet, decolorizer, iodine, safranin, microscopic slide, bacterial culture, microscope. The initial step of the experiment is to wear hand gloves properly in both the hands. Now the first step is to prepare heat fixed smear. Now take a clean slide, then sterilize it with alcohol, after which sterilize the inoculating loop until it became red hot. Then with the help of inoculating loop, take bacterial culture. Now we will prepare the smear in the middle of the slide evenly. And now we will heat fix the smear that we had prepared. Heat fixing is done so that bacteria sticks to the slide, and that's how it looks after heat fixing. The second step is addition of primary stain, which is crystal violet. Our smear has dried, so we will add the crystal violet and leave it for 30 seconds. Basically, crystal violet is a water soluble dye which enters the peptidoglycan layer in the bacterial cell wall. Now after 30 seconds, we will raise it with tap water and wash off the excess stain. The third step is addition of grams iodine, which acts as mordant. Now the next step is to add iodine, and after adding we will leave it for 1 minute. Iodine acts as a mordant to form the CVI complex so the dye cannot be removed easily. This step is also known as fixing the dye. After 1 minute we will again raise it with tap water and wash off the excess stain. The next step is rapid decolorization with the help of alcohol or acetone. Now we will add the decolorizer, which is acetone, to it. Now we will quickly within 5 to 10 seconds rinse it with water under running water. The next step is counter strain with the safranin. Now we will add safranin, which is the counter strain, and leave it for 20 seconds. Safranin will stain bacterial cells a light red color. Again we will wash the slide to remove excess stain. Now we will blot dry and observe it under microscope. Okay, so gram-positive bacteria are purple in color as crystal violet complexes are then unable to penetrate and escape the thick peptidoglycan layer, while in gram-negative bacteria, outer membrane is degraded, so the thin peptidoglycan layer is unable to retain the crystal violet iodine complex and the color is lost, and the pink color or red color is due to the counter strain, that is safranin.